The Kia Stinger is a game-changer. It's a sports sedan that can go toe-to-toe with the best of them. Under the hood, you'll find a powerful turbocharged engine. It delivers exhilarating acceleration. The Stinger handles like a dream. It hugs corners with precision, and the brakes are strong and responsive. But the Stinger isn't all about performance. It's also luxurious and refined. The interior is appointed with high-quality materials. The seats are comfortable and supportive. And the infotainment system is top-notch. The Stinger is the total package. It's a car that you can enjoy every day. Section 5: Kia's evolution from humble beginnings to industry leader. Kia has come a long way in a short time. The brand has undergone a remarkable transformation. It all started with a focus on value. Kia built cars that were affordable and reliable. But over time, Kia raised its game. The brand invested heavily in design, technology, and performance. Today, Kia is known for producing cars that are stylish, innovative, and fun to drive. The brand has won numerous awards for its vehicles. And Kia continues to push the boundaries of what's possible in the automotive industry.